Martin here. We are modernizing the stadium in 3 phases in Thika. And once we are done with phase 3 of this modernization, we are going to be having an international stadium at the same level with what we are having here in Kirigiti. We are in stage 1 now. We've already started construction. We are in the almost final stages of starting stage 2. And I believe by stage 2, towards the end of this year, we have a good standard. I have picked on key facilities in Thika to upgrade. As you enter Thika, past the stadium, the next facility you find is a market there that has been as old as the colonialists themselves here, called Jamhuri. As I went in there and I found that, and I decided this is the other area to transform. I've started working on that market. We allocated funds. They have done, the basics. And our phase 2, which we are going to be doing within the next 1 month, is again putting up for tender a complete overhaul and renewal of the entire of that market, so that you have a modern market as was being described here by our friend Matata. So as again you move down towards the area of where the epicenter of this city will be, you pass via Makongeni bus park here. And there we have again completed phase 1 of that bus park. We are going to phase 2 of enabling our traders there by doing modern kiosks. After that, we had a plan of even taking over the poster land and building that is also there, because what we've built on is part of their land, which we have a deal on. And we'll also modernize it together with the team there into a modern ICT hub and other facilities. So that becomes a good thing. And then after that, or rather before that, we have also embarked on modernizing the hospital, which we have again done. Around the entire of Thika, where Mboro is as our MCA and every other MCA, we have picked on each of their health facilities to renew, which we are already doing. We are in the process of renewing all the health facilities and constructing new ones. In its place, we are doing a level 3 hospital. We are doing a level 3 hospital in Gatuanyaga. Goliba, we are renewing the other one. We are doing Kiandutu, Yes. So anyway, we don't want to count all the projects there. We are doing quite a number of projects in there. But what we are saying is that we are not sitting here and speaking. So, in fact, I dare say that as we converse now, I would be hesitant to feel comfortable by being called a dreamer anymore about the city. We are no longer in the stage of dreaming. We are already in the stage of doing. So I am not a dreamer. You can call me a dream monger if you like. but this dream is already on its feet, and we shall be able to realize this dream within no time. So, just that said, my team here and our team, for your gas, for your fuel, to ensure that when you are speaking, you speak with that conviction that is going to be the next city within this region. And more so, and I would be embarrassed to even speak about it anywhere to any other person, we are late in the day, for that matter, as Thika. I don't see any justification why Thika, which shoulders head-to-head Nairobi as a capital city, why we should have been bypassed a long time ago by people like Akina Nakuru. Nakuru was a town, okay, in our thoughts and days, but the benefits of Thika way outweigh what would have incentivized Nakuru to become a city before us. We had every ingredient, but we slept on our laurels. So I believe that you guys, you get this done. The books of history will not forget you. This team here. They will not be forgotten. You'll be somewhere. And I would be proposing to Sally and the team that in your records and books, you should find a special place for this team once they deliver on this matter to conclude this. So, to say Asante sana. Vile Mboro amesema, let's try our best, and I have confidence in this team. Don't allow politics to get into this. Yeah. If you allow politics and politicians to be your guide, then there will be a lot of stories which are not beneficial to our people. If we had that city now, we would have been talking about an allocation this financial year of close to $1 billion. If we had actualized this at that time. There are municipalities that we commissioned then that will be benefiting within this current budget with huge funds. We have municipalities like Juja. They are going to be receiving more than 296 million out of just the act that we did. So supposing we had also finalized Thika, Thika would be benefiting way close to almost $1 billion. We lost that because bad politics came in at that particular time. So I just want to implore upon you that avoid politics. You know, Cecilia, you are there, you've been in politics in Thika. So when you are sitting there and the whole of this good team, let the right temperature in. My sister here is a professional, so, and all of you, ladies and gentlemen, because all of you here, you are, you know, in that position, courtesy of at least some good professional appointment from either an association or a representative group. So let's just live to that dream. Luckily, and I want to appreciate now this in Sudan they are called warlords because they have big territory. So when they only have the territory award, I don't know what they would be called because they can't wage a full war. So I don't know whether you call hitmen. But anyway, I'm happy that at least with Akinamboro and the rest of the other MCAs, now we are able to see eye to eye. We can agree that this is a good thing to do, all of us. We'll do it for our people. This history will exist way past our lifetimes. Yeah, it will go way into the future, into posterity, to benefit young children who will remember the way we do. And when you go to Nairobi, you see the statues of the likes of Kimathi, you see the statues of the like of Jomo Kenyatta, of Moi, President Moi, and other statues that you see that are of people who have stood in tough times and delivered on a dream and a mission that was intent and purposeful to transform the lives of generations and generations to come, notwithstanding whatever benefits you have as an individual. And that will be your place in history. And I also want to be the governor, God willing, that helped and joined with this team to deliver on that destiny for the people of Kiambu as a whole and for the people of Thika. So God bless all of you. Nasema asante sana. I'm sure this we are going to be able to do. So Waziri, with your guidance, then we can proceed and issue those letters, and our team can get to work. So this is for Sylvia Mwene Kasanga, Senator. Okay. Thank you, Senator Sylvia. Sylvia is a member of AAK, the Architectural Association of Kenya. Asante, my sister. Sasa we saidia sisi hiyo maneno. Alafu we have Getu Kahengeri. Yes, karibu. People may think that it is the other Getu Kahengeri, so it is this modern day Getu Kahengeri, but carries the same fire and fireworks of the original man. Yeah. Yes. So we believe that's going to get done. As a sawa. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So okay. Yeah. And then we have got Zachary Ngangamora, okay, Association of Urban Areas and Cities. Yes. Oh, Bana PS. Aya. Sasa tushike hapo na PS. Asanti. na tunasema shukran. Najua utatusaidia kwa hii shughuli pia. Then plan TG Dorongo. Yes, asa huyu naye ni planner na kutoka huko Institute of Planners, Kenya Institute of Planners. So tuchape kapicha hiyo moja, Bwana Dorongo. Wish you well, sir. Okay. Jennifer Warigia, Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Warigia. Santi. Sawa Warigia. Haya. Sawa, Santi. Asa tunaweza kusalimiana in goodwill. Asanti. Julius Masharia Shege, Institute of Surveyors of Kenya. Asanti ndugu. Haya, sawa. Haya, asanti. And then Cecilia Wamaidha Wamwangi, Thika Business Community. Haya, asanti Cecilia. Asanti. Haya. Asanti Cecilia. God bless all of you. Kwa hivyo, nafikiri tuseme tu hayo. Okay. Mkuje tupige kapicha tu hapa hivi, tufanye kalaini kamoja hapa. Asanti.
So tukuje, alafu technical team pia na nini tutakuwa na hiyo nafasi baada ya hii ili ratiba yetu ikamilike vizuri. Pangi vizuri. Sasa inaenda kuingia kwa historia. Cheti. Right, technical team, kujeni haraka sana muingie kwa hilo jambo ili tuwe tunakumbuka siku zote. I know they are excited. Utabeba hiyo upendo kutekeleza hilo jambo. Smart City sasa itakuwa kweli, itakuwa reality. Sasa sijui kama utaishika hiyo picha, technical team uishike vizuri, shika wote. Right. Sasa mumeonekana vema. Asante sana, asante sana. Tunaenda kukamatisha, tunaenda kumalizia Your Excellency programu yetu, na ninaarifu ya kwamba baada ya hapa kuna kikombe ya chai. Tunajua gavana ni mkalimu. Asante sana. Tusimame kwa wimbo wa taifa alafu tumalizie kwa maombi. Mwenyezi Mungu, tukabidhi hayo mambo yote kwa mikono mwako. Tuasema ya kwamba ukayanyeshwe mvua ya baraka, na tuombe ya kwamba yote yakawezekane kwa uwezo wako. Bariki kaunti yetu, bariki hili ono na hili jambo la Thika Smart City, na Mungu tutakushukuru tukiona likiwa la kweli. Kwa jina la Baba, la Mwana na Roho Mtakatifu tumeomba na kuamini. Asante. Tushiriki katika kikombe ya chai. Waziri iko hapa, imeandarika hapa nyuma. Gavana tuwasema ni asante. Sasa technical team, ad hoc team,